Introduction. What is leadership? A dictionary definition of leadership describes it as the action or process of leading or influencing an individual or individuals to achieve a goal. At its core, leadership is a relationship between one or more persons who provide guidance, direction, and structure for one or more individuals in working to achieve established goals and objectives. Leadership is not static. It can shift from one person to another and can be shared between two or more individuals. Sometimes in more flexible organizations and teams, the situation dictates who will serve as the leader. If a situation calls for a highly technical approach, the techie may become the leader. If the situation has environmental challenges, the team member who has environmental expertise can serve as the leader. Some leaders are given their roles because they have natural leadership abilities. Some leaders are born into their positions or they inherit them. Still, other leaders work to learn and demonstrate the necessary skills to be able to lead their followers successfully and effectively. Larger organizations are not always well suited to be able to make organizational level changes. Their mere size make it difficult for them to interact changes, particularly if they are system wide. Smaller organizations or even teams within an organization can make better leadership changes and adaptations. Fewer organizational layers make for an atmosphere of adaptability. Leaders should always behave ethically, morally, and responsibly, yet all don't. There have been countless examples of both good and bad leadership throughout time. Good leaders are effective at how they execute the duties of their position and treat the individuals in their organizations as well as their stakeholders with care and concern. Leadership is not a new concept. It's been around for millennia, and it continues to change and evolve and meet the needs of current climate and culture. In the past, the responsibility of leadership has been almost entirely in the domain of the leader. However, in recent decades, there's been a needed recognition of the role that followers play in the leadership dynamic. After all, without followers, a leader can't lead. Successful leaders create a hospitable environment in which followers are comfortable and have the freedom not only to meet the organization's established goals, but to achieve their own compatible goals as well. To create such an environment, leaders serve their followers, elevating their followers' needs above their own. This atmosphere of service creates an organizational culture highly sought after by potential employers and rated highly by individuals in the organization. The result is an organization where everyone succeeds, both leaders and followers. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.